Advanced charts. A scatter plot chart is a display of several pairs of observations to highlight relationships between the two sets of data. A scatter plot will indicate whether data are scattered across the graph or whether there is a band. When data are scattered, it is an indication that the two variables are unrelated. Existence of a band implies that the variables are related. The following data represents the sales of two products at a retail outlet over a 10-day period. The scatter plot chart for the above data is as follows. In the chart, values of sales for the first product are shown in the x-axis, while values of sales for the second product are shown in the y-axis. A narrow band within which plotted values fall is indicative of a relationship between the two variables, that is, sales of the two products on various days. In the below given plot, the plotted values are scattered across the chart and values do not fall in a band. In such cases, there is no relationship between the variables. The scatter plot chart or scatter diagram will be discussed in greater detail in the lesson correlation. The last chart we are going to look at is the bubble chart. A bubble chart is an extension of the scatter plot used to identify relationships between three numerical variables. Consider the following data on three variables. You get this bubble chart for the given data. Variations in the size of the bubble indicate large variations in the third variable. This is not so in example seen earlier. The first variable varies over a relatively broader range. As a result, the y-axis is spread over a wider range. The second variable is less spread, and hence the x-axis spread is also less. When the bubbles are scattered across the graph, it indicates a lack of relation between variables. If, however, there is a band, there is a relationship. For example, an upward sloping band indicates that as the first variable increases, the second variable increases.